2016. She won as a champion during Kalayaan of 7 Emirates 2018. A winner for Kalukalike Imelda Papin 2016. And garnering a Golden Award twice in Abu Dhabi. She is one of the officials in AFC and a performer for an event and a judge too. Let's all welcome Miss Nora Manlitis, aka Imelda Papin na Dubai!
And of course, Miss Nora.
Yes.
Oo.
Si
Ang
Nora.
Imelda Papin.
Yes.
Right.
Only in Dubai.
Ano pa? Aside doon, ano pang alam mo kay Miss Nora?
Dakilang awardee.
Dakilang awardee. Wow, okay.
2016.
Ano pa yung year, ha? Oo nga. Wow, hindi ko alam yun, ha? Okay, well, thank you very much, Miss Nora, for gracing our event.